Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today we'll take a look at the daily chart for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we'll also see the key levels for trading for tomorrow. This video has been after a long time because I was out of town for one of the functions. So let's get started. But before we get started, a small disclaimer. All the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. So what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame, and as you can see here, uh, for the past week, like past 1 week when I was actually not available to trade, the market has shown a tremendous fall. This was due to the war condition between Israel and Iran, yeah, right. And I had shared a short video as well as a reel or short, wherein I had mentioned that be aware about the macroeconomic factors which can influence the market, and that is the reason why we had seen this tremendous downfall. It's after I think 19th April onwards that the market has started to recover. However, the past 2 days, if you have seen, we have seen buying happening at lower levels. But today's day, market opened with a gap up, but still the gap up did not sustain, and we saw selling right from the start. And as you can see here, today what we have on Nifty daily chart uh, is a bearish Morobozu candle, almost like a bearish Morobozu candle, which is following the doji candle which was formed yesterday. However, key thing to notice here is that today's close is still above yesterday's close, and that the past 3 days candles, if you see the formation, it is lower high, lower low formation. So in a way, I think the trend is still upwards, and I mean the recent trend, the past 3 days trend is still upward, and what we can see here is that tomorrow, if the market opens gap up, we can see a possibility of a short covering rally, uh, which will take the price to test the top of this purple channel, right? The bottom of test the bottom of this purple channel, right? From where it had broken out. Now, the key levels to watch out for tomorrow would be 22,455 on the upper side and 22,344 on the lower side. In between this 111 points, 110 points, I think the market is going to be range bound. Tomorrow being a day before the monthly expiry, I think we can expect some one directional momentum. If the market opens gap up about 22,455 levels or something, then in that case we may see a short covering rally which will test the top of this channel, which happens to be around 22,544. So roughly around 22,500 to 22,600 is what the market can test tomorrow if the market opens gap up. On the lower side, I think if the market opens gap up and if we see selling, that is profit booking, then in that case we may see sellers again jumping in from the levels 22,455, wherein we can initiate a downside trade and expect the first target to be 22,344, which happens to be today's low, right? And below 22,344, if the market sustains and if the market trades, then in that case uh, we may go ahead with increasing the quantity, or we may also book partial profit and continue with the trend, with the target till 22,200, roughly around 22,199 or 22,200, which would be the next target, right? Let's take a look at 50-minute chart to see how market traded today. So as you can see here, the market opened with a huge gap up, but then the gap up did not sustain, and for a lot for initial 50 minutes there was you can say profit booking, after which the market was more or less sideways, and then it closed with a small downside. But all in all, I think the market is still positive, and the buyers are still strong. I think the buyers are still strong in the market. Even the gap up opening suggests that the market sentiment across the globe is also positive, right? So with these two things, I think the strategy would be buy on dips, so close to 22,344 if the market comes, and if we see a positive candle or a bullish candle or a bullish engulfing candle, then in that case going ahead with a buy side trade, with a strict stop loss is something which will be helpful. Right, let's quickly take a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also showed similar movement, similar to what Nifty has shown, but interestingly, Bank Nifty has taken a resistance at the middle of this purple channel for the past 2 days. And tomorrow, if Bank Nifty opens with a gap up, there is a good chance that we will see a short covering rally, which will take the price to further levels of 48,722 as well. Right. So the key levels to watch out for tomorrow for Bank Nifty would be 48,311 on the upper side and 47,888 on the lower side. Now, in between these 500 points range, the market is expected to be range bound. Again, as I said, a day after tomorrow happens to be a monthly expiry. Uh, so whatever movement would be there, that is possible to be seen tomorrow. That is a one directional move is possible to be seen tomorrow. And tomorrow, I might, I mean, I'm anticipating that we may see a short covering rally, which will take the price to 48,722 levels as well, right? So these are the two key levels to watch out for: 48,311 as well as 47,888. Below 47,888, I think the next target, immediate target, would be the lower bottom, that is the bottom of the purple channel, right? Let's take a look at 15-minute chart to see how Bank Nifty traded today. So similar to what Nifty had done, Bank Nifty also opened up, gap up, but the gap up did not sustain. And after the first 15 minutes candle, if you see here, the movement was almost sideways, right? The movement was completely sideways. And another thing to notice here is that for the past 2 days, right, the range between which the market has been trading has been very narrow range. If you see this here, right, this one. So this here, the range is very narrow, and I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow, that is on the expiry, the monthly expiry, uh, if tomorrow the market consolidates, then day after tomorrow we can expect a one-sided move, either upside or on the downside, whichever side it breaks. But tomorrow, if it breaks, then in that case, everyone who would have held their positions here are expected to, kind of square off from their positions, uh, because of the expiry on the next day, right? So tomorrow, if the market breaks this low, that is roughly around 47,633 levels, then in that case we may see a further quick downfall till 47 what, roughly around 47,400 or 47,300 levels. And if the market crosses today's high, that is 48,311, then in that case we may see 48,422 as the first target, and after which 48,500, 48,666 and 48,722 as the next set of targets, right? So these are the key levels, and this is how market traded today. Let's quickly take a look at Dow Jones to see how Dow Jones is trading. Okay, so as we see here, the Dow Jones is trading below 39,000 key level. But again, if you see here, it has broken out of this consolidation, the 1, 2, 3, and 4 days consolidation, and after that, there was this huge bullish hammer candle. After which there was a bullish candle, and again a continuation bullish candle, which is currently the candle which is in progress. So there is still 2.5 hours left for the day, for the close of this candle, after which there will be few hours before the Indian market opens. So again, based on this current scenario, I still expect that market will be opening gap up, depends where it opens, but I am expecting a gap up opening. And if the gap up opening is way above, then in that case expect a short covering rally as well, which will take Nifty as well as Bank Nifty to a good 1% or 1.5%, uh, uh, what do you say, 1.5% target as well, right? So those are the key levels. So do let me know. That's the analysis from my side. So do let me know in comment section whether this analysis is helping you or not, and whether you were able to trade today, and whether you made profits or whether you booked losses, right? And also let me know what else I can include as part of my videos to help you learn about trading and share my experience, right? Um, just before we wrap up, a small disclaimer. Making money in stock markets is not easy and there is no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements and over time, we can definitely make profits from stock market. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.